Ready for Würth.
Hi guys, today we're talking about our 12-piece radiator coolant set. Help to see what your diagnostics is on your coolant, and we're going to show it today as a whole, and we're going to give you a slight demo. So included in the kit is a 12-piece radiator coolant set with multiple colors of varianted specific adapters for wide range vehicles, as well as screw caps for radiators. And then you get also a manual pump that will assist you on showing with an absolute gauge, as well as a temperature holder. So we're going to show you more or less as to how it works. All you're going to do is, so we're going to screw this on to our expansion tank. This kit only works with expansion tanks and radiators. And then I'm going to plug it in, and from there you'll see we're going to start pumping once it's tight, and you'll see that it'll hold pressure. Once you see that it holds pressure and there's no leaks within the system, what we're going to do is we're going to test it and we're going to depressurize it. Once it's depressured, you can take it off and you can unscrew. Then it also comes in a beautiful case, already molded, where you can see and you can keep it safe within your